offer for today. Please try as much as possible to claim the candies on CoinGecko. CoinGecko is the world's largest independent crypto data aggregator, and you can check price alerts on any cryptocurrency on the CoinGecko app. So the first thing you need to do is to get the CoinGecko app on Play Store, on App Store. All right, so once you get the CoinGecko app on Play Store and App Store, you need to sign up. You can sign up through your email. All right, so once you sign up through your email, this is where you would be. All right, this is the home page. For you to claim the CoinGecko candy, all you need to do is to click on this jar right here. So once you click on this jar right here, you would see collect candy. So you can claim for various days, and you can use these CoinGecko candies to make purchases. You can see right here underneath here there are a lot of things that you can buy with the candies. All right, you can see all here, you can see ebooks, 20% flat discount, crypto tax. There are lots of things you can do with these candies. Also, there is a rumor that these candies, they may be important if CoinGecko decides to launch their own token one day. Currently, they do not have their own native token, but if they decide to launch their own token, it is possible that these candies that you claim would be instrumental to getting you eligible for their token airdrop or pre-sale. So guys, start claiming your CoinGecko candy today. All right, I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel.